Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to book that dream cruise online. It's super simple to do. It'll save you some money and a ton of time, so check it out. Hey everyone, welcome aboard. Today we are going to be showing you how to book that dream cruise online. It's super easy to do. It'll save you some money and a ton of time. And if you're new here, my name is Ken and this is Northern Viking Explorer. We bring you videos on travel, exploring, and discovery. So make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. So people are always asking us where we book our cruises, and my wife and I pretty much exclusively book all our cruises online. We find it very convenient. We can do all the research ourselves, and we can get some great deals doing it ourselves online. We can also sit in bed on our laptops and book it at midnight if we want, and we're not waiting around for a travel agent to get back to us. With all that being said, if you don't like to plan or do research, or you just want it all taken care of for you, a travel agent is a great option for you. But today for this video, we're going to be showing you how to book online. We're going to be using a website called cruisedirect.com. I am actually an affiliate for them, so if you go to my website and look at my cruise deals I put on there, or click on one of the links in the description below and you book a cruise, I do receive a small commission. This is at no extra cost to you, but the process would be very similar if you're using other websites as well, cruise.com or Travelocity or any of the other cruise websites out there. So let's head on over to the internet and show you exactly how to do this on cruisedirect.com. Alright, so I've got Cruise Direct loaded up here. You can go ahead and punch that into your browser, cruisedirect.com, or even better, click that affiliate link down below in the description. It would really help me out. Once you've got that loaded up here, you can see on the left-hand side here, there is a large number of sailings that it's going to go through. It says 27,616 sailings, and this search area on the left-hand side, you can find all sorts of amazing deals. So you can select a few of these or all of them if you like, if you want to be really specific, or just a few. If you want to just go to the Caribbean, you could just select Caribbean and hit search and it'll search all of that for you. But say you want to be a little bit more specific about that Caribbean cruise, and say you want to sail out of Miami. So we said Caribbean, we said Miami, and maybe you want to go on January of 2021, and that's when you're getting time off and you want to book that cruise. Maybe you want to do a 7-night cruise, so it's 6 to 9 nights would be what you select. There's a lot of 7-night cruises in the Caribbean. And maybe you want to sail Norwegian. Maybe you've sailed Norwegian before and you love them, so you want to select Norwegian, or you could leave that blank and it'll search all the cruise lines for that criteria. But maybe you want to sail on Norwegian again to build up your loyalty points, or maybe you want Carnival. But in today's example, we'll select Norwegian Cruise Lines. And we'll just go ahead and click Search Cruises right here. And that's going to bring up all the cruises with the criteria that you just selected. And there's a few that it's selected here. So you can sort by, in the top right hand corner, you can sort by price from low to high. You can sort by duration and the review score. So there are some options there. As well, there's different options here. So this one for the Norwegian getaway, you can see the reviews. You can look at the itinerary here. So this one goes to Honduras, Belize, Mexico. So there's all sorts of things you can look at for each and every cruise. When you scroll down a bit, you'll see the different dates as well as the pricing for those different dates and what sort of bonus deals are potentially included with your rooms on that ship. So this is a really cool one to look at. We'll look at this in a bit here, a bit further. But for instance, on this cruise, there are it says the final day for some open bar for a specialty dining package. So you do want to look at those because there's often really good perks. Sometimes we've gotten free gratuities on the cruise. So all sorts of cool stuff. The Norwegian Joy, we just took this ship last summer to Alaska. Beautiful ship. So that one's going in the Caribbean at that time of year. The Encore, brand new ship from Norwegian as well. So why don't we just select the first one here, January 23rd, and they've got some good rates there. So we'll just go ahead over on the right hand side. It says select here. Whoops. And you can just go ahead and select that. And that's going to bring you to the next page here where you want to start filling out some of the information of your cruise. Even if you're not going to be booking it yet, you can do the number of guests. So if there's 2 people or 4 people, for example, just put in an age there. I just have 40 as random ages there right now. You can select what country you're from. So if you're from Canada or the United States, you would select that there. We're from Canada and British Columbia. And then put in your email address. I just have bob@gmail.com in there right now. There's also a ton of more information on this page. So again, you can see all the information on the cruise. There's a little map of the itinerary that shows you what days you're at each port over here on the left. There's also potentially some videos. So they've got videos here. You can look through pictures if you want to see what the rooms look like in different categories. You can do that here as well. So there's a ton of information. And again, on the right-hand side, some of the bonus offers that may be included with your cruise. So say you decide this is the perfect cruise for us. We want to book this. Let's go ahead and select my room type. So you just click on that button and it's going to bring up you to the next page here where you can start selecting your room type. So you're going to have different options here. You can select interior rooms, ocean view rooms, balconies, suites. Let's say for this one, we want to do the balcony. So you can select the little checkbox up here for balcony rooms. And right now it only says one balcony room, but there are more options for you. So if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see a couple of drop downs. There's one here that says view more rates. And there's another one here on the right hand side that says view more balcony staterooms. So when you click on those, a whole bunch more options show up. So all the pricing is right here in the middle per passenger. And all those perks we were talking about are over here on the left hand side. So you can see there's two categories here, but one has more perks than the other. So you want to make sure that you're looking for ones that are of good value and have good perks. So sometimes they're the same price, but they might have a different cabin as well. So those are things you want to look at. So you can look at all these. If you see a room and it says balcony stateroom guaranteed, let me just switch over to interior here and see if there's one. I don't see one, but if it says guaranteed, typically that means that the cruise company is going to select that stateroom for you. And if you want to select the room yourself, make sure it doesn't say guaranteed. We've booked a guaranteed cabin many times and we've gotten lucky with some great cabins. And then we've had some that they were good cabins, but not the greatest cabins on the ship. But guaranteed cabins are typically the least expensive. So say you like this first one here, category BF, and it's got some different perks. You've got shore excursion perks, $50 deposit, which is really good per person, free open bar. So you will have to pay gratuities on that. Free specialty dining. There's a little box here. If you click right beside it, it tells you. So 7 to 8 night cruise, you would get 3 specialty dining meals included with that. 30% off all guests. So that's already included in the price. And they're giving you a $75 onboard credit to spend per cabin. So if maybe we love that cruise, we're going to go ahead and select that. So we'll hit select my room over here on the right hand side, and it's going to start loading up the cabins that are available for that date at that price. So you can see over here on the right hand side, it says deck 9 and deck 8. So there's options at that pricing for deck 8. You can click there and it's deck 8. And if you want deck 9, you can select there, deck 9. Other things you can do are go to websites like Cruise Critic or different websites and put in the ship plans. And you can also look at what is above you and below you on the ship if you're looking for a quieter spot on the ship. But so let's have a look at deck 9. Say we want to be closer to the elevators. You can see that's there. So 9778, the red little dots that are blinking here on the right hand side are the available cabins. So let's select 9778. We'll find that here on the list. That's nice and close to the elevators. 97. Oh, where is it? There it is. 9778. And we'll just hit select. And then that's going to take us to the next page where we would start putting in all our information for the booking. So first off, you're going to confirm everything. So it basically gives you 15 minutes. If you do need to extend that time, that it'll hold that room for you. So it'll give you all the pricing per guest and taxes and fees. So again, this does not include gratuities unless it's one of your perks that's included. So it shows you all the perks that you're getting for that price, and it says free over on the right hand side. It says a grand total price of $2,465.54. It'll show you exactly what your deposit is today and when your final payment is due. So one of those perks was $50 deposit. So there's 2 people, that makes $100 due today to hold that room. And the final payment is due in about 8 months from now. So you're definitely able to put a low deposit down to save that room for quite a while. From here, you can do preferences. So you can select the dining style. So freestyle dining is what Norwegian does, where you can go for dinner at any time you like. There might be, on some other ships, you might see an early dinner or a late dinner. So those options might be there as well. Bedding, so if you want to select for your beds to be the type of bed you have, so whether beds are together or apart, you could select that there under bedding. And this is where you would start to put in your information. So I'll quickly put some information in here. So male, Mr., we're going to just say Bob Smith. Whoops, Smith we'll do here. And I'll just fast forward it here for you guys as I put in some fake information. All right, so I've got all this information. Mr. Bob Smith from 1926 and Mrs. Sandra Smith from 1944. All fake. You just push book my cruise and it's gonna start taking you over to the next page where you would put in your credit card information. But make sure all that information you put in is absolutely correct because it's very important. Don't do a fake passenger's name. So right here, it'll show you the information, confirm that it's exact match to your passport or your ID that you're taking on the trip. And the pricing's all there. If you want to buy travel insurance, they do have options for that. You can check that out on your own. All the perks and the pricing, it's just confirming everything. And from here, you can choose to select to pay your deposit or your cruise in full. So we're just going to do the deposit today. And I'm actually not going to go ahead and purchase it, but you would put in your credit card number, your credit card type, your credit card number, your code, your month and expiry, and the name on your credit card, your billing information over here, and then you would just go ahead and click purchase now. And once you do that, it's just going to process your credit card, and you're going to get all sorts of emails with confirmations. And pretty quick, you're going to be able to log into, in this case, Norwegian's website with that information you get, and you can set up your account on there. But your cruise is booked pretty quickly on these. You'll get the information right away. And it is that simple to book a cruise online using websites like cruisedirect.com. Also, make sure to check out my website, northernvikingexplorer.com, because I have an area in there where I post the best cruise deals that I find on the internet. There's some crazy deals that I do find, and I post them all on there. I also have a YouTube show called The Cruising Show, and I'll put a link to the playlist below in the description, but I do showcase all those cruise deals that I do find. So I hope this video did give you value. If it did, make sure to smash that like button. Also remember to subscribe to Northern Viking Explorer because I've got tons of videos coming up that I'd love to share with you. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, happy cruising.